Good day. I am GD Albarracin from BSTM1D, and now I will present a short video, an activity that is called the trash transformation at home using a plastic bottle. Since all the needed materials are already prepared, I began by marking the part of the plastic bottle that needed to be cut off. After carefully measuring and marking the correct area, I used a knife to cut the bottle horizontally. And since the cut was not perfectly even at first, I trimmed the edges little by little to make both sides equal in size. This step was important to make sure the bottle would stand properly and remain balanced. After shaping the bottle, I smoothed and adjusted the edges to make them cleaner and safer to handle. Then I make a circular mark on the bottle to guide where the hole would be placed. After marking the circle, I carefully created the hole so the mini base could fit inside properly. I made sure that the hole was the right size to hold the base securely. Once the hole was finished, I inserted and attached the mini base. Then close the bottle cap to complete the setup. As you can see, the mini base made from a plastic bottle is now complete and standing properly.